Power, portability, and value. The Westinghouse WGen3600cv is your dependable and convenient portable power solution. Producing up to 3,600 running watts, 4,650 peak watts, the heavy-duty Westinghouse engine, constructed with a durable cast iron sleeve, will run up to 14 hours on a tank of gas. Power up with a host of outlet options, including a 120-volt duplex household outlet, a 120-volt 30-amp twist lock outlet, and the RV Ready TT-30R outlet. The CO sensor detects high levels of carbon monoxide near the generator and shuts down when operating conditions are not safe. Plus, an array of built-in safety features make it a smart, easy-to-use solution to your portable power needs. If you need additional portability, add the easy-to-install optional wheels and handle. Power, portability, and value. The WGen3600cv by Westinghouse. Power when you need it, power where you need it.